Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. And if today is your first time you're coming here, oh, I say very big welcome to you. A big welcome. Welcome. All right. Dalu, welcome. So do not forget that our sales is coming up next week Monday. Our season sales is coming up next week Monday, and it's 50% discount. When I mean 50% discount, it's going to show in every product. What is sold for 100,000 will be sold for 50,000. What is sold for 50,000 will be sold for 25,000. What is sold for 25 will be sold for 12,500. What is sold for 10,000 will be sold for 5,000, just as we've said. All right. Now, I want to show you how to make glutathione oil. Glutathione oil. Glutathione oil, everybody. Glutathione oil. And this glutathione oil we are making, a lot of people, they don't understand what is really glutathione. All right. So if you really want to know that, you can come from training as well. We'll teach you. We'll be making glutathione oil, and these are what we'll be using. Some of them I've put some here already, but I will explain to you bit by bit. This glutathione oil is not just regular glutathione oil you've seen anywhere. This glutathione oil, you will see a change in 3 days. When I mean a change in 3 days, you will notice that your skin is toning in 3 days. And you see, everything you see here, there's no hydroquinone. All right, very safe to use for your body. Every part of your face, body, you can use it. All right. Yes, this glutathione oil, you see a change in 3 days, and also about before you see 7 days, everything, your change is complete. So for those of us who have wedding to attend, you can use glutathione oil. For those of us who have parties to attend for this period, you can use this oil. So let's begin. Let me show you the things I'll be using. We'll be using Beauty Series. The reason why we'll be using Beauty Series is that Beauty Series is one of the lighting complexion and non-spot age liver spot sun spot removal like this. It works for all these I just mentioned. It works, and we'll be using it no matter like old scars. I know what I'm telling you, believe me, it's not at once, so it's not immediately you'll be seeing these changes. So if you are using this Beauty Series, it's not just once you will just say, oh, you notice those changes. It's not once. That is what people don't explain to you. And there's no hydroquinone on this product. You all know about this Beauty Series. Are you getting it? It's one of the best. I use it a lot. Beauty Series skin oil solution, or it softens the skin, and also it unifies your skin. You know that it gives you a very bright complexion. Constant usage of it. It's very wonderful. We'll be using it. All right. So then, perfect skin oil. Tell me you don't know this oil. I know all of you know this oil, but how to get it is the problem right now. A lot of it is fake. A lot of it is fake. A lot of people will be crying, else global, I got the fake one. I said, how did you even know it's fake one? He said it's not working. It's not product is not working, meaning it's fake. No. Apparently it's imitation. All right. So if it's not working, meaning it's fake. Maybe it's depend on your skin also. All right. Yes. This perfect skin beauty oil is very, I mean, especially designed for those who have hard skin, because it's very fast. If you dapt it, I'm giving you a big secret. It's very fast. You can use it. If you get the original one, it's very fast. This oil you see, very fast. So it's designed for those who have harder skin, like that your skin doesn't work. It will tone you. Keep using it. All right. So we are using this one also, and this holy bio, 24-hour holy bio. Look at it. All right. Yes, we'll be using this one, and we'll be using just about 1 spoon of it. So this one, this one, imitation don't fool everywhere. Imitation don't fool everywhere. Give me that. Don't give me that oil. Yes, imitation don't fool everywhere. Imitation everywhere right now. So we'll be using this one, this glutathione injection. We'll be using this one just about 1 spoon as well also. Now this one will be using this body and face serum. Why are we using this body and face serum? This body and face serum is a serum that you can use. It's like a shakara oil. It's like it treats, it heals the skin also. Are you getting it? So when we put it, it will make every solution here, it will unify every solution here to one. It will unify them to one because of its agent. It's a whitening agent and also healing agent also. All right. Some of the other ones, they are not healing agent, they are just brightening and lightening agent. All right. But this one is a lightening, whitening, and also healing agent. Okay. It moisturize also. You can use it alone. All right. We'll be using our vitamin E. It's very good for the body. Vitamin E is very good for the body. It moisturize the skin also, make your skin shine. Also, we'll be using this zero tech. So this zero tech will not, when we add, because this is a concentrate, so when we add it, it will not make everything, like it will also unify everything to a higher concentrate, to make every solution here to a higher concentrate. All right. So, and now this one is good for spot. It remove dark spot as well. It's very, very okay. It remove dark spot. Okay. And one thing I like about it also, when you're using it, you see result in days, not in months. Now, some people say, I've been using this, it's not working, it's not working. You see the result in days, unless if it's not original. It removes dark spot, every fine lines. It clears all fine lines, and it helps. Some people say they will use it for stretch marks. And no, I've not noticed it. So now we also use this baby serum. Look at it. For those of us who want to make baby serum, we want to make how to make baby serum. This oil is very good for baby serum. You can use it for baby serum. Look at it. It's very best is for baby serum. Although a lot of people, they use it a lot. It's for baby. In fact, it's for babies. So why are we using it? To make you look young. To make you look young. All right. So when we add everything together now, it will make you look more younger, and it will make your skin soft. All right. Yes, it will brighten you and make your skin soft. For those of you that you try to look for oil for your kids, you can be using this to make their serum for them. All right. Now, best one will be using this our egg yolk serum, face serum. You see, because sometimes people don't understand. They say, why are you not using what is for the face for the body? What is for the body for the face? That is why you sometimes you have to read beyond. You have to read beyond. They did put it here that it's for only face, so only face, so it must be used for face. All right. They did put it there like it must be only used. This is a serum that you can use for your face, and it work for your face. So what you use for your face, that the face is sensitive. All right. The face is sensitive. So so long it's safe for it's safe for the face, so also it's safe for your body, for your skin, for the any other part of your body you use it for. It's very safe because it works. So I will put it into this formula, right? So now also we've used this oil before. I love using this oil always. I love using it. Also we'll be using this oil, and you can use a couple of oils to make this when you're making this glutathione serum or oil. If you're making, you can use a different type of oil. So now, like as I said I've put some here before. All right, I've put some here before. So a quick one, the ones I have not put here, so we have to put them now. So we'll be putting this our zero tag. We're using one. All right, so you can see we're using one of these zero tag. Trust me, this oil, it will be so nice when you make it yourself. In fact, you will be the one saying, Austin Global, I was still already. We've put our beauty series here already. All right, we've put in our beauty series here already. So follow me up. We've put in this our glutathione here already. So we've put in two. Two is in here already. These are the two I said we've put in here already. Okay. Then we've put in our Huli Bio. We've put in Huli Bio here already also. All right. So in other words, you will put this one. You put them one spoon. That is half spoon of that big spoon. So one spoon. All right. So we've put in three of the items here. So what I say again that I want you to put. So I have this in mind that when you're making this kind of solution, it shouldn't be too much because you're trying to make for a start, use for yourself. When you make for yourself, when it works, you cannot make in a larger quantity for people. All right. So now we've put in this our carovate here already. You see, so you can see We've put in this one here already. So then again, our vitamin. See, let me show you because some people don't know how it works. See, you break it, then you put. So we've put in this one. We've put in this one already. Okay. So now let's move on. I told you it's very safe for the skin. It's good for moisturizing. All right. So for matter of fact, for those of you who don't know, this our oil. I told you it works a lot. This our oil works a lot. So now this oil, look at it here. So we put in this oil now, right? Uh-huh. Okay. And then we put in this one now. For 1 spoon, like as I said. Okay. Now we're putting our baby serum now. This baby serum that is good for your kids. Okay. Then also this one, just have to make use of. We've not put this one before. Okay. To cool the face. To cool the face. Okay. To cool the face. So Mona the learn work. Oh, Mona the learn work. So the question would should I put preservative? You don't need to put preservative in oils. Okay, you don't put preservative in oils. All right. So all you have to do, you blend. You use your blender. You blend. This is the glutathione. You can call it glutathione concentrate. You see this oil? You see this oil? Trust my brother, my sister, whoever that is washing. Trust me, you will bring results. So we have them in a large quantity. If you want us to promise for you, we can promise for you. If you want to do it yourself, you can do it yourself. You see, you can use this oil for your body. You can use it for your face. You can use it. It's very safe to use. Look at it. So you blend properly. You blend properly. All right, for the usage. So we've come to the end of this how to. It's not preview, it's not review, it's how to. Okay, we've come to this end of this class. For those of us who really want us to learn this thing properly, we'll be doing our training is always on. You know, every weekend we can also. I don't do group class, but if you want us to do, because the pressure on me on group class is too much, and I just want to do it for giveaway. I just want to do that for giveaway. So like I'm not even going to charge much. Okay, I will in the next video I will tell you what we will take. It's just a giveaway. All right, a group class. So don't forget I will ship every worldwide. All right, and our website is on. You can just go there and do your shopping as well also. And then again, I want to make you to understand that irrespective of wherever you are, we ship to you. In 3 days you get your item. Our sales is next week. Oh, next week is the sales. So get ready for this. Get ready.